Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to add payment methods on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, from your Shopify homepage, what you're going to do is simply head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. As you can see, we have settings in here, and then you can see we have this payments option. Head over to that and we are pretty much done. You can see by default we have PayPal already added. You can add a payment method in here. Click on that. You can search by provider, or you can add Visa, Master, credit card, whatsoever you would like. For my personal store, I have added cash and delivery, and that is an option as well. In the manual payment, you can see I have added cash and delivery in here. You can click on this manual payment and then add cash and delivery, or if you want to add online transaction or checkout system, you can add your payment system like PayPal and all this stuff. So it is quite simple, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.